We agree with me that Payoneer still remain the mother of all platforms when it comes to international payments or getting foreign US accounts or getting foreign debit and credit card from other countries, from US and other countries. Now, the major challenge everyone has in getting a Payoneer account or getting a foreign account, a US account or a US card from Payoneer is that they come across some challenges in verifying their account and in getting across some boundaries they have newly set. So recently, Payoneer has put in some rules and regulations and boundaries in their system that make it uneasy for you to register as a Payoneer user. Now, the time I was opening a Payoneer account, Payoneer does not have these boundaries and these rules. Okay, I open a Payoneer account, I verify my account, I go to the KYC verification, and I have my account. And I've been using my Payoneer account to receive my funds from Amazon KDP and other freelancer platforms I do work with. All right, but recently there are some issues in getting into Payoneer account, and that's one of the reasons for this video, because I'm going to be telling you how you can bypass this issue or how you can go over this issue and have your Payoneer account. Creating a Payoneer account is very easy. First of all, you go to payoneer.com or you click the link in the description of this video to open a Payoneer account. Now, before we resume this video, let's have a quick walkthrough on how you can properly open and verify a Payoneer account the right way, step-by-step process. So guys, opening a Payoneer account is very simple. Just go to your Chrome browser or your website, type in payoneer.com. Type in payoneer.com and you're going to click on enter. Guys, this is the interface of the Payoneer platform. Okay, as you can see, a universe of opportunity open for you. Your Payoneer account is your key to unlock universal of opportunities, whether making international payments or receiving funds. All right, here's a simplified dashboard and interface of the very platform. All right, if you scroll down right now, as you can see, the world go partner for digital commerce everywhere. Now, being a freelancer, e-commerce, content creator, digital marketer, or anything you do at all, you can use this to receive payment and send payment anywhere across the world. This is the number one platform. Now, to get registered is very simple. You can sign in or you can register. All right, so you're going to click on register, then you'll be landing here. Now you can register as a freelancer, as an online marketer, online seller, affiliate marketer, or you can even register as an individual. So whichever one you want to use is very okay. We are going to use freelancer or the case of this video. Then you come here, let's find the right account for your needs. Okay, I'm looking to just click on this, very read it and click on it. Click on that and you'll be landing here. All right, okay, freelancer, agency, or service provider. All right, getting paid by what we call clients or via marketplace. So as you can see right now, it say get paid by leading marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, Getty, Image, and more. All right, so get paid by your global clients. Okay, withdraw your earnings from your local bank account, withdraw via ATM, and pay your supplier. All right, so just click on register. Once you click there, you'll be landing on the registration platform. So let's register our account right now. It's very important to follow every instructions in this very place. There are 4 steps and there are 4 ways to complete your registration. The first one is getting started, then the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, which is the almost done. You can register as an individual or as a company, but we want to use individual because that's what we want to use right now. So you put in your first name, your last name, your Gmail address. Make sure your name is corresponding to your ID card or your passport. This is very important. So make sure you go through all these icons showing on your screen right now so that you will not miss out on any instructions. So the next page right now is your contact details. All right, put in your country, you put in your address, your postal code, your city, and your phone number. They are going to send you a code, of which I'm going to impute in this very place right now. Once you impute the code they have sent to you, you click on next. You are going to go to the security details. So here's the most important aspect in signing up your account, so pay close attention. So as you can see, this is the part you put in your security code, your security questions, your ID number, your ID nationality, and all of that. So you're going to put in your password, down here, your security questions, and then you want to put in your country down there. Okay, so once you put in your country, the next is your ID verification. You can put your national ID, your driver's license, or your passport, and you're going to input the code down here. So once you are done with this, your account is ready, waiting for verification. So once you open a Payoneer account, you have to verify if you are a real human by going through the KYC verification process, by uploading a passport or a PVC, which is your voter's card if you are from Nigeria. But if you are from other countries, you will have your verification process over there. Now, once you go through this verification process, you have to upload an address. Now you have to verify your address by uploading a utility bill that has your address. Now you want to make sure all these details are very accurate. Okay, you don't want to be uploading another person's utility bill, or you don't want to be putting in the wrong details. Okay, you want to make sure your names is corresponding to your passport so that you won't have any issues. So once Payoneer has gone through all these details, they are going to verify your account. They are going to approve and verify your account within the next few hours. So once you have your account ready, you still have to go across this issue showing right here. So I know that's one of the major challenge many people are having, and that's the reason you click on this video. Now here's the reason you are seeing this, and here's the reason Payoneer brought this in. They have troops of millions of users, and every day thousands of people get into Payoneer, and Payoneer has a lot of dormant accounts because people go there, open an account with them, and they just leave it there without doing nothing. Okay, even those who are not a freelancer, who does not receive payment outside the country or international payment, they just open a Payoneer account just in the name of opening a Payoneer account or opening a foreign account, and they leave it there. So Payoneer noticed these things, and they noticed that there's so many dormant accounts in their system, and they spend a lot of money every year maintaining these accounts. Okay, because you are not paying any charges when opening the Payoneer account, or they don't charge you every month to maintain your account. Then placing this boundary, they will be able to filter those who are active in the platform and those who are not active in the platform. All right, now this is how you can get over this $50 threshold. So number one way is having someone who has a Payoneer account or who has a foreign account to send you $50 in your Payoneer wallet. That way you unlock it. All right, now the number two way works 100%. Now number two is having you receive money from a corporate account. Okay, having you receive money from a company's account like Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon KDP, and the rest. Okay, now if you are a freelancer, you just have to get paid from your freelancing platform. If you are a publisher, you just have to get paid from your publishing platforms like Kworks or Amazon KDP. This way you unlock this feature. Now this is how you can get over this account. I believe this was able to solve your problem. Now if you don't want to go through all this stress doing all this, now you can easily just create a foreign account from other platforms. Now I've compared videos on how you can create a foreign US account and a foreign debit card, of which you don't have to go through all this stress of doing any verification, creating a Payoneer account, of getting through a threshold. I believe this video was valuable to you. If it was, please like this video and subscribe to my channel by turning on bell notification, because I'm going to be dropping more updates on Payoneer and other platforms you can create a foreign account that will not give you any threshold. Alright, now if you click on this playlist right here, you'll be accessing that video.